I got the joystick working. I don't have one of my wires. I don't have a female to male, so I'm gonna be switching some of the wires to show the other things are working. So for my first one, I'm going to show my switch state. So my switch state right now is at 0, and whenever I click on it, it shows 1. And I'm just going to change my wiring really quickly. I'm using two ADCs, PA0 and PA1, and they are connected to my X and Y. PA0 is my X and PA1 is my Y. So you can see whenever I'm going to change, here's my X, and when I go up, my X is changing, and then I'm going to go down, my X changed, then my Y, changing my Y's, then changing my Y and going this way.